What's up? Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depending on the location you are watching this video from. It's Prince here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. Guys, I'm currently coming live from the Gambia, West Africa. The smiling coast. So guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how Sinchu Alagie looks the Gambia in the year 2025 in rainy season. So guys, without wasting much time, let me just turn the camera and start showing you guys how this part of Sinchu Alagie looks the Gambia in the year 2025 in rainy season. As you guys can see, here is called Sinchu Alagie, and then I'm walking towards Sinchu Balia and Welingara. Yeah, but I will end this video before even reaching at Sinchu Balia or Sinchu Balia or Welingara. Yeah. So guys, this is how this environment looks, and that's the Sinchu Alagie football field. Yeah, that's the main entrance. Guys, this is the Gambia in 2025. Guys, this is how the real life looks here. So let me get on that other side of the road so that I can get a better view, a good view for you guys. I will cross the road when it feels like it's good to go. Wow. Guys, this is how we do it here. We cross the road when we feel like it's good to go. And then I'm walking towards a popular junction called Digante, which is over there, down there. So let's go. And there's a donkey cart, mainly used for transportation here in the Gambia. You good? Nice. Somebody was saying hi to me, but the amount of stairs I'm getting here, oh my goodness, people are really staring at me. Thank God I'm used to it. If not, I'll be shaking. Guys, here is called Digante. Yeah, it is a popular junction here in the Gambia, here in this part of Sinchu Alagie called Digante. Yep. Prince Sega here, showing you the real life here in the Gambia. And then guys, today is so sunny. Yeah, it's so sunny. I'm trying my best for my camera not to turn off because of the heat. So let's see how things will go. Yep. And guys, that's a petrol station or a gas station. It depends on how you call it. Yeah. Guys, today it's so sunny out here. It's so sunny. Hope you guys are enjoying what your boy is getting for you here. Walking block by block, showing you the real Gambia, the real raw footage of the Gambia. And then guys, the place I'm at right now here, this neighborhood is called 5 Johnson. It's a popular Johnson here in this part of the Gambia. It's called 5 Johnson, and this is how it looks here in the year 2025. Guys, I will soon end this video. Yeah, let me just walk for a little bit and then close this video. Yep. Guys, I'm still in Sinchu, Alagie, the Gambia. Wow. Guys, today it's so sunny. Just even take a look. The way your boy is sweating. Yeah, and then this is where I will end this video too. As always, if this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. I'm out. It's your boy Prince Eka. We're from the Gambia, West Africa, the smiling coast. Peace.